Hey guys, I'm going to be unboxing a beautiful Bible. I'm pretty sure it's beautiful. I have never seen it. From AE Bibles. And my buddy Adrian Alonso contacted me about potentially doing a review Bible. That's coming up. Stay tuned. I told Adrian, don't tell me anything. I don't even know what color or type of leather. All I know is I sent him my Crossway ESV Preaching Bible verse by verse edition for him to rebind. I knew it was going to be special, so let's take a look. All right. Okay. I don't know what all he sent me, but this might be the old cover. I'm not 100% sure. So we'll open that up. I think it is. Let me just open it first. Yeah, that's the old cover, and I'm going to show you guys his cover compared to the Crossway cover that it came with, so you can see the difference. So we're going to do that, but that's going to be sitting over here to the side. Paper out of here. Good job, Adrian. Got it packaged up good. We got packaging inside of packaging. It's like Christmas.
Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh my God!
Santa here? I know him. Oh, hi. Santa's coming.
All right, he left me a note, I guess to let me know what was in. Oh, okay. I haven't even seen it. Let's look. It says British Tan Capra Granulosa Goatskin. What? I've never even seen that. All right, generous yap. So brown perimeter stitching. Oh, I'm getting excited. I haven't even seen it. All right. Oh my goodness, he did the solas. Oh goodness, I gotta see it. I gotta see it. All right. Man, I'm so hyped up. So pumped. All right. I'm trying not to tear anything. There we go. Oh, he put it in a box. Good. Look at there. Guys, man, this is the man. Adrian, you did good, buddy. All right, so it's in a box. All right, so I haven't really pulled it out, but you can see it says AE Bibles, Clean, Simple, Premium, Crossway Verse by Verse ESV Bible, British Tan Capra Granulosa Goatskin, Dark Brown Lambskin Liner. There's the old, but so he put it back in the original Preaching Bible, verse by verse box that I sent him. Are y'all ready to see it? I'm ready to see it. I'm ready to see it. And it's wrapped. Oh. I'm so pumped up. Can y'all tell that I'm excited? I don't want to tear these. I like to keep them intact. Oh my goodness, folks. My goodness gracious at this work. Look at the back. It says AE on the back. Oh my goodness. This spine work is tremendous. The ribs, you can tell that he tapers his rib material by the way it's rounded, the edging. And this granulosa goatskin is like, it's like a Highland. It looks like a Highland. It's not quite as grainy as a Sakota, but it is really nice. His perimeter stitching is really, really fine. It's not really thick. Has Sola Scriptura on the front of the cover, and you have the other solas on the spine, along with Sola Scriptura at the top. So I love the 5 solas. If you're unaware of that, it's the Latin for Scripture alone, by God's grace alone, through faith alone, Christ alone, for God's glory alone. So this is the, what do you say, the tan? This is the tan, British Tan Capra Granulosa Goatskin. It feels, I should grab a Highland and show you guys. It feels like a Highland goatskin. He did a great job with it. And this is a brown lambskin liner. He's stamped in with like a really faint color, Capra Granulosa on the inside of the liner. This is a really dark brown lambskin, super soft. So it's a good contrast between the very grainy exterior cover and the dark brown lambskin liner. This end sheet is cloth. He did a cloth, or it's like a cloth end sheet. It's a woven end sheet. That feels awesome. And by the way, this is it's not blind stamped, it's brown full stamping on the spine and the cover. And I believe that's what this also is. This is a brown full on the inside of the liner. This is the Capra Granulosa. You can see the interior gilt line, super fine line. That's one thing I noticed about a lot of his work, is it's really super fine detail. Very reminiscent of Diego Coloca Jr. And I know we've been missing Diego, but take a look at these corners. And I love that he does a stitch perimeter along with a super fine fold over and these super fine pleats. Like, look at those pleats. This is like Diego's work. Wow. I mean, this is beautiful. So let's take a look at all these corners. There's one. There is another. Look at those fine pleats. That looks amazing. Then on the back, here's one. And then there's the other. Just beautiful work. So this shows the level of craftsmanship by how small pleats are, how fine the thin stitched perimeter stitching is, how fine and thin the gilt line is. And then on the back liner, you can also see this lambskin liner stamped in with that brown full. It's understated. And that's one thing, when I talked with Adrian, I told him I love like a classic look. He did add leather head and tail bands. They look great. They matched this cover leather. And he also added 3 10mm Beresford ribbons. One ribbon is this dark brown color. The other is Cafe All Late. Is that? I'll have the name on the screen. And then this other is that sable color, which is kind of a brownish gold color, or even a copper color, that sable. He knew I loved those colors. He singed the ends so they wouldn't fray. That's awesome. I love his AE stamp on the back of the cover. That looks really, really clean and simple. I love that. I love that single tooled line around the interior perimeter of the exterior cover. That looks really clean and good. I love the fine lines. It's not real thick, big tooling lines. It's really fine lines. The attention to detail is so good, and I so appreciate it. Now, to compare this, which is not even fair, to the original, this leather and this leather are like miles and miles apart. I mean, you know quality when you're feeling it in your hands. You can tell that this, what was it called? Granulosa Goatskin is on another level than this goatskin that Crossway used. This is next level. You have the soles on the spine where you just have your typical, Crossway spine, raised ribs, but this is a different kind of raised rib. The way that leather's folded around and molded around those ribs, the way it's tapered perfectly to the edges, it just looks amazing. And the liner material here is just the cheapest stuff versus this really premium lambskin liner material. It's just hard to really compare as an apples to apples comparison. But I did want to include that to show you guys how drastically different a rebind like this is from a stock premium Bible. Like, I've made a video on why would you want to rebind a Skylar. That was one of my more popular videos over the last year, and I'll link that in the description below. But showing the difference between a custom rebind like this and even a nice, really nice premium Bible that comes from a publisher, these are on a whole other level of quality and of craftsmanship.
I have many leather-bound books and my apartment
Smells of rich mahogany.
All right, let's talk a little bit more about AE Bible. Adrian typically sells on eBay. I will post a link in the description below, so go there and check it out. I do want to mention AE Bible Info. We offer Sully goatskin, Sakota goatskin, Liege Maine goatskin, Caviar goatskin, Carlo calf skin, and our style often mimics the classic look and feel of old world book binding techniques. Our goal is to fabricate a clean, simple, premium Bibles that will last a lifetime. I think you do that really well, Adrian. Man, you do a great job. I mean, really, if you love and miss that Diego Coloca look, I mean, this is the heir apparent to that. So Adrian really, I think he's good friends with Diego, and Diego probably helped him and mentored him a little bit. The styles are so similar. The care and the quality is so similar that you would think you have a Coloca rebind in your hand. So I say all that to say, you need to check it out. And if you see a $350, $400 price tag on an AE Bible, it's probably worth it. All right, so we give away a Bible for every video, and this video is no different. This person here wins a Bible. Congratulations, you left a comment on my last video. If you want to win a Bible for the next video, leave a comment in this video as well, and you'll be eligible for a Bible giveaway. This is pretty simple. So if you won, congratulations. Contact me, go to my About section, send me an email, let me know who you are. If you got anything out of this video, please leave it a like. If you didn't, if you hated it, leave 2 dislikes. Really let me know that you didn't like it. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. God bless.